Hannah Hecox, 2025, majors agriculture education with a concentration in literacy and a minor in media communications. So I started in agriculture, not in a traditional agricultural background. I'm from the city, but I did a lot of community gardening growing up, and that was really important to me to see how the culture of agriculture benefited so many people. It made such a difference in people's lives to be able to have fresh, accessible food and to be able to work together to cultivate the land. And that really inspired me to work in food management, food systems, but also education and sustainability. So regenerative agriculture is one of the things that I've been really interested in for a long time, and soil health. As we continue to do more research on these aspects of agriculture, I believe that we can make some really impactful changes.
What makes you feel hopeful about the future of ag?
There are so many people around us on this university, on this campus, but also within our world that do so much work, so much research, are so dedicated in their time and efforts that it's hard to look around and think that nobody cares. Because we come onto campus, we go to our classes, go to our labs, and we recognize how much people are interested in learning about different aspects of agriculture and animal science and ecological sustainability and food systems and educational theory. There's a million different things that people, my peers, my professors, are just dedicated to continuing the foundations of those learning goals. I'm so thankful to have this community. It felt like it was going to be daunting coming into CSU with no real ag background, no really understanding of what I was going to do, and I immediately felt welcome. I immediately felt included, and I immediately felt that there was a place for me. We need to have those sustainable systems in our lives, not only in food systems, but also in cultural systems and emotional systems. And the College of Agricultural Sciences does a great job of providing that, and I'm so thankful to have been a participant in that. My name is Hannah Hecox, and I'm proud to be a CSU RAM.